Okay, guys. So in last class, we have discussed about Cucumber data tables without headers. This is the concept we have learned. Okay, let's go to that. So what is the project name we have discussed in last class? Selenium 410. Project type. Okay, my system is running very slow, guys. Just a minute. Yes, last name ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో చెప్పాను ఎవరికైనా గుర్తుందా? ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ 408 409.
410, sir.
ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్?
410, Selenium 410.
410 లో చెప్పాను.
Yeah.
So respond. Slow అయిపోయింది 1 second. ఫోర్ టెన్ లో లేదు, 409 ఏమో. ఒక నిమిషం. 409 లో కూడా లేదు. 407 ఉంది. కాదు.
Sir, I hope in the last week you have covered the 410 in the data type without headers.
All right, in 408 project folder I mentioned. Okay, now I got it. Okay, now let's see. So now I'm going to tell you the new concept as data tables with headers concept. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the copy and changing feature file steps. The system is not at all responding for me. Just okay. This is the feature file that we have automated in the last class. So now I want to tell you the new scenario. Log into application with below credentials. So here I'm changing the step as below credentials to, and I'm giving column headers. So just observe what are the changes that I am doing. Username, pipeline symbol, password. Okay, this is the change I am doing. This part we can call it as a data table with headers. Okay. Similarly, I am going to create column headers for the data table. So I have created, and I'm changing my step. Create skills record to and login below credentials below credentials to. This is the step I have generated and I'm saving. Okay. So let me rename this feature file as well. Function key and F2. Data table with headers, right? So I can change it WH, DT, WH. So I created a feature file with column headers. So just without column header means there won't be any column headers for the data table. Now I mentioned column headers. Okay, now let's run the runner class file. Go to my runner class file. 1 second, guys. System is responding very slow. Data table with header. Okay, so I mentioned my feature file name and let's save this one and let me run this runner class file. Run as test-ng test. Let me rerun it again. Yeah, program intuition start. So it's navigated to login page and the execution got failed and it is got generated some methods login to below application with below credentials too. This is the step got generated. So let me copy these things and control C and I'm going back to my step definition.java class file. I'm going to my step definition.java class file and let me copy these methods. So at the end of the class, before closing the curly bracket, I am pasting these methods from 280 line. Okay, whatever code has been generated, let's delete that code, automatic code. Okay. And let's delete this code as well. Okay, so log into application with below credentials and create skills record. It is only having single set of input data. So only one row it contains. So how to read the input data of the feature file? Okay, let me write the lines of code. So if a data table contains single set of input data, okay, this is the syntax part we will write. So feature file lo, so in feature file lo, manaki column headers kanaka unte. So if a feature file contains column headers, the syntax part we will write like this. So list of map string comma string, and I have created an object login object. Login dot get of 0 dot username, login dot get of 0 dot password, whatever parameter name I had given here. So in the feature file, whatever parameter name I had given, I mentioned here. That I have to write set of driver commands. So for login part, so let me take all these three lines, Control C, and I'm pasting. So username one and password one, login button. So now let's come back to the second one. So if a particular step, one second. So create skills record. So create skills record means this feature file contains multiple records with column headers. So if the step is having multiple records with column headers, we have to write the syntax part like this. Okay, let me copy these lines of code. So like this, you have to create. So login of map string comma string. And as usual, I have created a skills data object. And for integer I is equal to 0, skills dot data dot size of I plus plus. So I less than skills data dot size of means those many iterations. I will be iterated 3 times. So those many iterations it can be done. So during the first time I value is 0, 0 comma skill name, 0 comma skill description. Okay, 0 comma skill name and 0 comma skill description. So 0th row skill name means this one, 0th row skill description means this one during the first iteration. During the second iteration, I value is 1, 1 comma skill name, 1 comma skill description. So first row skill name, first row skill description. And during the next iteration, I value will become 2. I value will become 2. So 2 comma skill name and 2 comma skill description. So now what I am going to write? I am going to write all my setup driver command. Let me write all these setup driver commands. Control C and paste in everything. Okay, right. So here you need to mention, you need to make sure whatever column header name you have given. So here I have given skill name and skill description. So the same column headers you have to give it to here. So the same column headers you need to mention here so that those parameter values. So during the 0th iteration, that particular value it is coming here and skill description value it is coming, and all set of driver commands are executing for the first set of input data, and all set of driver commands are executing for the second set of input data, and all set of commands are executing for the third set of input data. Okay, let me run my runner class file now. Let's go back to my runner class file. Run as test engine test. Guys, in case if you are not able to do any lab practice or anything, if you are getting stuck, if you are not able to proceed, you can come to office, and with our assistance, you can able to complete all the labs. So all the 3 iterations got executed successfully. Okay, guys. So like that we can use. So in the interviews in real time, people are using this kind of syntax. People are asking to write the syntax part for list of map, string, comma, string, and you can mention jobs data, skills data, nationality data, and you can write for integer I is equal to 0, I less than jobs data dot size of. Like this, you can write the parameters. Okay. So you can do the exercises for jobs, nationalities, and everything. Okay. So let me share this project. Just a minute, guys. I have uploaded data tables without column headers video. Anyway, this video also I can upload. Okay, so my system is responding very slow. I can share this video and because I could not able to continue, my laptop is running very slow. I can share today's class topic and video recording. Let me fix my laptop issue and we can continue the classes from tomorrow onwards perfectly.
Okay, sir. No issue. Thank you, sir. Sir, please share that one.
Yeah. Video recording and the project I can share it right now in 10 minutes.
Okay. We will practice.
Yeah, all previous video recordings are already uploaded, including data tables without headers also. So data table with header also, it can be uploaded in next 10 minutes.
Okay.